I am Harshit Dodani and I joined Raise Academy in class 9. I am thankful to all the teachers of Raise Academy who teach me. They are great and brilliant. They are full of knowledge and very understanding. Shankar sir and Rajesh Rao sir are most amazing teachers I have ever seen. They not only give theoretical but practical knowledge. They always support me and understand that what type of knowledge each student wants. They are always ready to help me at any time. Shankar sir is amazing teacher for maths. He always tells the tricks to solve the calculation which really helped me a lot. He never tells to mug up any concept and always tells the logic behind that concept. He assures that everyone is visualizing maths and most importantly, he gives the proof of each and every formula. On the other hand, Rajesh Sausar is best teacher for science. He gives handwritten notes and his notes are better than any other book. He make me fall in love with science. His techniques to teach is amazing and I am thankful to him because he always teaches extra concepts of science in his extra time. Thank you sir. Thank you Raise Academy.
Warm greetings to everyone. I am Priyanshi Dave, a proud student of Raise Academy. I have studied my 10th Maths and Science both in Raise Academy and 11th Maths in Raise Academy. This institution focuses on interior development of a student and also gives opportunity for the students to rise. And also their efforts are priceless. Thank you Raise Academy for teaching me all the things that I want. I would thank from the depth of my heart. Thank you.
I am Tejasi Gaur. My heartfelt thanks to Raise Academy and Amolani sir. I got an excellent result in class 9th and all credit goes to sir who guided and taught us in such a way that our basic concepts were cleared. The methodology of the academy is to clear our fundamentals and then give us various challenges from all kinds of sources and their own prepared material. The faculty is always ready to solve any kind of our doubts at any time and they always motivate us to do our best. Thank you Raise Academy.